Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open settings and choose accessibility features. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on the switcher to activate it. After that, follow those instructions. I have 3 keys navigation, so I have to follow those. Slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. If you wish to use one-handed mode with your right hand, you need to swipe to the right. Then go back by tapping on the blank area. If you wish to use it with your left hand, do the same to the left. Go back the same way. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!